Thank you all the people.
No.
Thank you all the people who blessed my dad. Bless God. Bless all of you. Um,
Who are you?
Letua, Fewoks, youngest son.
Thank you.
Just want to thanks to everyone. Thanks for the support and your prayers for Fewoks, my father. He's pulled through. He's strong now. Just want to thank you all for your prayers. Sweet, thanks.
Hello, Fewoks. This 21st day of December 2007. How are you feeling, Fewoks, at this moment?
Excellent.
Could you be a bit louder?
Excellent.
Do you have anything to say to anyone and every one of our family, relatives and friends who have been praying for you? On YouTube and Bebo, emails, texts?
Thank you. And prayers and support. Up and no ball again.
Can you lift both your hands? Just so they can. Oh, that was a bit shifty. Can you lift your left one on its own? Keep it up. Now your right. Your right hand. Now put your fingers on your nose. Okay.
Are you another figure?
Well, they call me doctor. I don't know why. No. This is the rehab center. There's Misfit. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Thank you for your prayers. As you can hear him, stop him from talking now. Thank you to all your prayers, for all your prayers, your texts, your emails, and everybody. You can see, go away. Any last word? Any last word?
God bless.
Oh, thank you. Any last words?
From the real tour, your woman, your son.
Thank you. Oh.
Claro. Leo tomo
Okay. Thanks, Fewoks. Oh, that was it, live from Broadmeadows Rehabilitation Centre. And this is the 21st of December 2007. Go again. Oh, he's rapping on too much. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Oh, too much. Too much. Okay, everybody, take care. That's Fewoks. Wave to everyone, folks. Say Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. And have a happy New Year.
When we Christmas, we talk some folk.
We don't believe in Christmas. When we at the That's it. Here live. It's 6:30 on the PM. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Daylight saving.